Play the living blood, blood. Play the living lightly, oh, the great Jehovah.
This one back. Practice it so you know which one it is. Okay, you hear that? You don't clap it back. Okay.
Oh, they are experts.
Brilliant, brilliant. Okay, once more. Okay, second one. You're all too good at the first one. Next rhythm is do not clap this one back. Okay, got it in the brains? Do not clap this one back. Okay, here we go. All failed in the first one. We're still saying don't clap this one back, but also do not clap this one back. So we got two forbidden rhythms, okay? Here we go. You good? You good? You good? You good? Almost, boys, almost. Okay, last go. Last go. Here we go. Okay, so that just gives you an idea of the kind of things that we'll do in rehearsal, okay? I mean, over weeks we've developed that. We'd had as many forbidden rhythms as we could possibly remember, okay? And obviously then what we're doing is developing your skills as musicians generally, okay? Because as we said, Only Voice Aloud isn't just about singing. You don't have to be musical, you don't have to be musical trained. We don't put emphasis entirely on reading music from the page. You know, we go through a long process. We'll help you, and obviously the main point of the scheme is for you guys to get involved and enjoy it and be a part of what you can see from that DVD is a fantastic experience, okay? But we are going to do some singing. I think we'll do a bit more singing for you, and then at the end, if you guys fancy it, we'll try and get you going through the yeah?
Play the living blood, blood. Play the living lightly, oh, the great Jehovah.
I
over the ocean.
Oh, no, let's start again. None of that. All right. Very good. Let's go to that. It's always good if you played at school and they got the chairs that flip back when you stand up.
Oh, yeah.
Here we go then. 1, 2.
My Bonnie lies over the ocean. My Bonnie lies over the sea. My Bonnie lies over the ocean. So bring back my Bonnie to me.
Rubbish! So let's bring back Bonnie. That's 3. That's quick. And again. 1, 2.
My Bonnie lies over the ocean. My Bonnie lies over the sea. My Bonnie lies over the ocean. Oh, bring back my Bonnie to me. Bring back, oh, bring back my Bonnie to me, Bring back, oh, bring back my Bonnie to me.
Another bit. Very good. Let's do it once more, a little bit quicker. Ready? It's good for the thighs. All you rugby players, this is good for the thighs, definitely. Ready? 1, 2.
My Bonnie lies over the ocean. My Bonnie lies over the sea. My Bonnie lies over the ocean. Oh, bring back my Bonnie to me.
Oh, no.
Bring back, oh, bring back my Bonnie to me, Bring back, oh, bring back my Bonnie to me.
Very good indeed. Let's do one of the things. You sit. 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 And you sit. Okay? I'll sit next to you. Ready? Be the same again? Obviously you can't be looking at your partner because everything's different. This should look good. It might not. Good luck. 1, 2.
My Bonnie lies over the ocean. My Bonnie lies over the sea. My Bonnie lies over the ocean. Oh, bring back my Bonnie to me. Bring back, oh, bring back my Bonnie to me, Bring back, oh, bring back my Bonnie to me.
Very good indeed.
Play the waving blood, play the waving light, we all a great church.